guys, so today I'm here with Premier Lace Wigs. Very first time trying out Premier Lace Wigs. This is not just natural looking. So yeah, nice little firm sturdy box, you know. And then as I open the box, I see the hair. And then what else is in the box? I see a say goodbye to frizzy hair hair wax. Then I have extra elastic bands if you need more security. Yeah, we have a little booklet here. I like how them company really just, you know, make their thing so official. Like they give you the whole 9 yards, like a whole booklet. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Like different wigs and stuff are in the booklet here. It's really nice. Their social media and all those helpful stuff, their contact, all that stuff is in there. Then we have a wig cap, and this is the last thing that comes in the box. This wig is actually 14 inches long. This is a highlight curly bob, like a long curly bob. I've never actually had any highlighted curly bob before, so that's pretty cool. I am excited about this. I can't wait. Of course, it comes pre-plucked. It's a 13 by 6 parting. This is how the construction looks. It's Indian remy here. It's 180% in density, so that's like extra thick, and it has this extra elastic band in the inside the cap construction, which I'm not gonna be using this. Only if you need extra security. And what comes in the like basic standard cap construction usually works for me just fine. It has pre-plucked hairline, as I said before, pre-bleached knots. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but you definitely can see it, and a removable elastic band that I just showed you. And it's a medium cap size, 22.5 to be specific. That's the cap size. That's how that looks. So right now, let's just go ahead and jump into the installation. But before I do that, let me cut off the extra lace around the back. I hate when I forget to do this, because imagine if it's you alone and you go ahead and install the wig, and then this big piece of lace is still in the back. Just flip it on, and it comes with a side part, which I don't mind wrapping it in. It is longer, you know, like how I always have to cut down the sides, so I'm definitely going to have to go in and do so. So guys, you saw start to finish installation with the wig. Let me just go ahead and kind of make this parting a little bit more pronounced. I wish, you know, like sometimes I get the parting and it just look like, ooh, scalp. Like I'm gonna have to brighten this with some concealer. So I just use whatever is left over on the brush. Kind of just brighten it. And then, alright, so a little concealer got here, but we're gonna fix that. So now I'm gonna get some of my hair wax and my hot comb, because you guys know I love when the top looks really laid. The hair looks so juicy. I actually really love the blunt cuts. This is really nice. This is really nice. I'm actually really feeling this wig, like really feeling it. You see the hairline? It's 2020, like if it doesn't melt like this, if the lace doesn't melt like this, then like what are you doing? No joke, but like no, this is very convenient. Like all you know you need to do is just install it and go, install it, style it and go. Premier lace wigs, you are doing it, because this looks so natural. This so natural. I'm gonna go ahead and rock out with this for the rest of the weekend. I love how full this looks. Love it, and I love the color. At first I was like, I wore a wig similar the other day, like with highlights and stuff, but I like how this is highlighted right throughout the wig. Like, I don't know if you understand what I mean. I really love that vibe, the brown and then highlighted vibe. It's not a color that I always wear a lot, but I really like it. It looks very natural. It looks like my hair, and I mean that's what the aim is, right? To make it look very natural and believable. So I mean that's a plus for me. Definitely that's a plus for me. As I said before, I love the blonde cut, and I feel like this is summer appropriate, because everybody wants to look cute. They want their hair to look cute, but at the same time they want it to be easy to wear during, you know, the heat. You know, it's very hot right now. Nobody don't want nothing too long down pan them, and so I feel like this length is the ideal length for the summertime. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig, today's install. If this was informative, if you like this wig, you know, you can just go ahead and give the video a thumb up. I'm going to drop all the details on the wig down below in the description box. Also, you can go ahead and use my discount code, which is PS10. You get $10 off your purchase if you decide to go ahead and get this wig. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, okay? Alright, cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to drop your video suggestions down below. So far I kind of started up back with my little interactive video section, so just go ahead and keep those challenge ideas coming in. Thank you guys so much for the support as always, and Until next time, just go and big up on yourself. I'm your girl Petite. Bye.